Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to transparent background in Canva. Let's begin. Making a background transparent in Canva is a simple process whether you are working with images or entire design backgrounds. Once you are logged into your account, upload your image. Okay, so in my case, I'm going to be uploading our thumbnail that I'm going to use after recording our video in our GPLabs YouTube channel. Now, for me to be able to make a transparent background from this specific image, all right, what I'm going to do is click the share button here, click on download. You see there's going to be an option here that says transparent, but please take note of that. If you see a crown icon like this, it means you need to have a Canva Pro subscription before you can use these features. All right, you can limit file size to compress file, especially transparent background. All I'm gonna do now is click on download. Now another option is I'm going to click on the photos. For example, this one, the dogs right here. I'm going to download it as transparent again. Click download. Now I'm going to choose only the last page, which is going to be this dog. Click on download. Now another option is I'm going to choose another page right here. Okay, I'm going to choose another background. For example, this one right here. Now I wanted to create a transparent background effect. Now for me to be able to do that, all I'm going to do is click on the background image, click transparency. Now, as you can see, you have already click the transparency background. All right. Now, as you can see, transparent backgrounds allow your designs to blend seamlessly with different backgrounds, whether on websites, presentations, or printed materials. This feature is useful when you want to overlay graphics on various colors or images. By using transparent backgrounds, you can maintain a consistent look across different mediums and backgrounds without clashing colors or styles. Designs with transparent backgrounds can often look more polished, as you can see if you click on here right now, because it allows you to layer multiple graphics or text elements without losing clarity. I find it very useful for creating intricate designs, collage, or overlays. Using transparency can create a sense of depth in your designs, enhancing visual interest. It's useful for social media posts as they allow you to easily fit your designs for different backgrounds or within frames. All right, once you're happy with that, all I'm going to do is click on share, download as PDF, or share it to your team members or your client. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.